We love the balance that the bicycle brings to the world and its power to make people, communities, and the planet healthier. Come ride with us.
Hi, this is Jeremy from Planet Bike, and today we're going to take a look at the updated, easy-to-access Lunchbox top tube bag and smartphone holder. This bag sits on top of your bike's top tube and installs quickly with burly hook and loop lower strap that secures the bag to the top tube and a second strap that cinches around the head tube. With an internal volume of 74 cubic inches, it's ideal for storing ride snacks, a phone, keys, a Planet Bike Red Zeppelin CO2 inflator, a wallet, a first aid kit, and much more. Let's take a look at the Lunchbox and its features. The Lunchbox now features a clear protective cell phone pouch with zipper enclosure for secure storage and easy access to your phone. The sun visor on top of the bag improves visibility during your ride so you can easily navigate your route. The pouch safely holds top-selling cell phones from Apple and Samsung, including the new iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 11, iPhone SE, Galaxy A51, S10, and any cell phone sized 6.5 inches long by 3 inches wide or smaller. A hassle-free dual zipper leash and hook and loop pull tabs provide easy access to all of your cargo. Once the bag is open, you'll find that it's lined with internal padding to keep any precious cargo safe. The clean white liner makes finding items easy. The outside of the bag is lined with reflective piping to add additional safety to your next ride. The bag weighs 115 grams and the dimensions are 9 inches long and 4.5 inches high at the stem and 2.5 inches wide. Our redesigned Lunchbox bike bag will help you expand your horizons by allowing you to carry more and go farther. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope you come ride with us.